Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Vehicle Black Box DVR. You'll receive the rearview mirror camera, 2 mirror attachment bands, a cigarette lighter adapter with right angle micro USB connector, a backup camera, double-sided tape and screws for mounting, a 16GB micro SD card, a micro SD card reader, and instruction manual. The mirror is quite large, measuring 12 inches by 3 inches. The LCD is on the right hand side and has a 5-inch diagonal. The mirror is slightly darker than plain glass and has a deep blue tint to it. On the side that faces the windshield is the camera for the unit, which sits on a ball joint and can swivel. There's also external speakers for sound playback. Along the top you have the mini USB power port, AV in for the rear camera, TF card slot, and this sealed off section is marked GPS, but no GPS is installed. Along the bottom of the mirror are the controls. You have power, menu navigation keys, and mode. Be sure to peel off the protective plastic sheet to get the clearest view of the glass and screen. To install it, place the DVR unit over your existing rearview mirror and strap on the 2 rubber bands. Plug the mini USB cable into the power port on top and the other end into your cigarette lighter accessory port. Next, install the back camera with the adhesive sticky pad and plug it into the top of the mirror unit. If you connect the black and red wires to your reverse light, the rear camera will show on the screen with reverse guidelines when you put the car into reverse gear. The brown and black cables indicate positive and negative respectively, and should match up with the red and black cables of the light bulb connector. When you start the car, the camera should come on automatically. This is the main menu where you can select the mode and see the time. It's a touchscreen, so you can just tap the option you want. This is the video feed, and it's currently recording with a picture-in-picture of the rear camera. Tapping the CSI icon switches the view to half and half mode. Then there's front camera only and rear camera only. Here you can see the white balance is automatically shifting because it's a weird cloudy day and the camera is having trouble picking the right colors. To enter the settings, first stop the recording, then tap the gear icon. You can change things like the resolution, clip length, G-sensor, and auto shutoff. The camera lens is also adjustable on a ball joint so you can position it without moving the mirror. These icons let you mute the microphone and lock the video so it won't get overwritten. From the main menu, you can enter photo mode and take still photos for both the front and back camera, or you can go to playback mode and view the photos and videos on the card. Here's some footage from the front camera. Even though I had the setting at 1080p, the actual video file only has 720p resolution. In fact, all the resolution modes are mislabeled, with the highest resolution being 1080p, the second being 720p, and the lowest being 480p. Despite the larger file sizes and dimensions though, the quality during playback remains the same for 720p and 1080p video, so it seems these video files are simply upscaled without any improvement to detail or clarity. While you can generally see what's going on around you, you can't really make out the license plates of cars, and the image is somewhat grainy and blurry at a distance. The rear camera is even worse, with dark and fuzzy images even during a bright sunny day. The audio in the recordings is also very muffled. Overall, this dual camera set meets the bare minimum for a dashboard camera. It records both front and back, but the image and audio quality aren't great. The only redeeming features for this budget camera are its ease of installation and touchscreen controls. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.